Hi guys, good morning. So let us see what is today's energy. Today's energy is Page of Cups. Page of Cups. Cups means usually water and emotions. It's connected to the emotions. Okay, and so Page of Cups is a person who has that cup and fish inside. Actually, he's a person who'll learn. He goes to the shore, he catches fish, plays with that fish, puts inside his cup, and when he puts the fish inside the cup, it is like a fun play for him. After some time, he actually witnesses how the fish suffers without water, and then he goes and puts back the fish in the water, and then sees happiness also. Okay, like that, from his own deeds he learns life lessons, and once he has learned that life lesson, he never does that mistake again. So like that Page of Cups are okay, very young energy, enthusiastic energy, at the same time research person's energy. He keeps on researching and analyzing about his own emotions, and he learns from his own emotions. He's a person like that. Okay, so same way he also observes the other person's emotion who's standing opposite to him. Even though whatever the person would talk, he does not concentrate to the talks or words. He sees the body language, the intention behind the talk, and how is the action and breath and emotions while they talk. So from that he would actually understand what is that person coming to tell, what are they conveying to tell. Okay, so the whole collective energy has become like that. Emotionally they are becoming mature, they are learning from their own deeds, and they themselves are learning to see the intention behind other person's actions and reactions rather than they what they talk. Okay guys, this is going to be a today's energy. Let us meet in tomorrow's energy tomorrow. Until then, bye.